are as many journeys in this world as there are individuals and organizations. In operations, there are essentially three kinds of journeys. Journeys that meander along without a roadmap, fighting one fire after another. Journeys in which a small team of Lean, Six Sigma, and supply chain optimization experts work on pockets of excellence, much like extreme climbers that climb alone. And then, there are world-class journeys in which the potential of an entire organization is mobilized. What does a quest for excellence unlock if it enables an entire organization? In our experience, it yields process-based excellence, organizational learning, exponential returns, and sustained culture-based change. It embeds excellence in the organization's DNA. And how does one attempt such a journey? How does one build an improvement management system for implementing and sustaining continuous improvement across the entire value chain? While this can be done in any number of ways, very few endure over time. Since the Industrial Revolution, there have been two paradigm shifts in operations. Each was exemplified by an automotive company, Ford and Toyota. The one championed standardization but reduced operations to cost management. The other found competitive advantage in employees as well as operations. The past decades have seen an explosion of management theories. Slavish adoption of any one theory inevitably led to crisis or demise. Clearly, questions about value and sustainability do not have easy answers. What is clear is that world-class companies engage at all levels. That is, through strategic, systemic, and situational transformation. They turn problems into solutions and new knowledge. The journey to becoming world-class never ends. It is a way of life embarked on not by solo climbers, but by the entire workforce. It requires vision, a clear roadmap, stamina, a process-driven system, and the right support. Many years ago, there was one development team that was interested in partnering with their clients on such a journey. Based in the most unlikely continent, Africa, a development team gave birth to TRACC in 1994, the same year that saw the inauguration of its first democratic president, Nelson Mandela, who today is revered as a giant among world leaders. This development team has built continuous improvement and supply chain optimization into an integrative improvement management system called TRACC. In our quest to help create the best, we identified all the stages of an organization's world-class evolution and built an all-encompassing integrated framework for successful transition that enables the entire workforce. We have incorporated the valuable thinking and methods included in Lean, Six Sigma, TPM, and supply chain optimization. The TRACC research and development journey over the past 16 years has been guided through close client collaboration, notably with Fonterra and SAB Miller. The TRACC journey is marked by milestones: the release of TRACC version 1 in 1997, through to TRACC 4 in 2006, and in 2010, TRACC version 5. On version 5, we are grateful for exceptionally close collaboration with DuPont, Heinz, and SAB Miller. TRACC version 5 incorporates new knowledge, added training programs, new implementation actions, enhanced workshops, examples to facilitate implementation, new client insights, templates and tools, extensive integration with Lean and Six Sigma thinking, an enhanced multi-site rollout methodology, a user-friendly DigiTrack interface, and new features, as well as improved integration between tracks. Today, TRACC powers continuous improvement in over 1,000 operations, in 55 countries, and in 14 languages. The TRACC development team collaborates with content experts from across the globe. TRACC now has implementation specialists in North America, Europe, Latin America, Asia Pacific, Australasia, as well as Africa and the Middle East. We seek to constantly improve our tracks with the latest thinking and competitive trends. We also want our clients to leverage their development throughout their organization. Thanks to persistent demand from our clients, 2011 sees the inception of TRACC brand extensions for business administration, HR, the environment, as well as a suite of no less than 9 supply chain tracks. Administrative Excellence TRACC aligns operations and administration, addressing both planning and flow, and allowing operations to gear into sustainable on-time service delivery. Human Capital TRACC secures buy-in from HR and line managers into an integrative improvement process and moves HR to a more client-centric approach where it can provide a broader set of services while gearing up its internal capabilities. Environmental Sustainability TRACC provides organizations with a leading-edge framework for assessing and implementing environmental best practices that build eco-advantage and triple bottom line. The suite of 9 supply chain tracks provides organizations with an integrative improvement management system that enables continuous improvement across the end-to-end value stream, unlocking potential year after year through the ebb and flow of the competitive landscape. Every company on the TRACC journey draws on many years of best practice implementation experience. The value TRACC provides is that it successfully overcomes any fragmentation of initiatives and prevents fragile, isolated pockets of excellence. TRACC identifies blind spots on the journey to excellence and provides the roadmap, tools, know-how, and competencies to eliminate them. Above all, TRACC integrates all improvement initiatives into one system across multiple sites and global operations. It generates exponential savings and competitive advantage by embedding excellence into an organization's DNA. No employee wants to be a mere cog in a machine. We want our work to make a difference. We want to work for organizations with a vision that will overcome the constraints of the present. Organizations that will prosper no matter what the future holds. We want to believe that it is possible for all of us to reach the highest peaks. We want a process that unlocks all of our potential and a clear roadmap that keeps us on this journey to world class, no matter what the odds. People, practices, results.